Good morning, everyone. I'm Naveen Yadav. My dear friends, today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of India. And every Independence Day remind us the bravery of our freedom fighters and their sacrifices. And this inspire us to work for our country. Whatever we can, we should do our 100% to develop our country. And dear friends, I think on every occasion, like Republic Day, Diwali, there are many Indian festival, and every Indian festival, I think every Indian took a oath that we will boycott Chinese product. And I think we just took a oath, or you can say took a pledge to boycott Chinese product. And for this, there are many poster youth or leaders. They also publish their poster on the road, on the highway, for boycott Chinese product. But today, I want to ask you one thing, dear friends. Whatever we took a oath or a pledge to boycott Chinese product, is it really going to possible? Is it we are really capable to boycott Chinese product? Why I'm saying this? Because, dear friends, you know very well, today there are lots of electronic devices which are totally manufactured by Chinese company, or you can say from China. If you talk about a mobile, so here mobile glass cover, and even there are many branded mobile, they also manufactured by Chinese company. And even you can say which is the most expensive mobile, it's also many spare parts built by China. So how can we say like we can boycott the Chinese product? I don't think we can't boycott Chinese product, because in a market everything, mobile, LED, TV, computer, everything manufactured by Chinese company or from China. So how you can say that we are going to boycott Chinese product? We can't, we never. Actually, it's not impossible to boycott Chinese product. It's a piece of cake for Indian. We can boycott Chinese product. But actually, in our country, you know very well, there is too much corruption. In our country, there are many youth, they have enormous potential. They can also you can say manufacture glasses, back cover, or mobile parts. But when they want to establish their company, or they want to think about that, but in India there's too much corruption, then they have to pay a lot of bribe to offshore for their license or whatever they required. And when they want to establish their you can say factory, then they will have to give those particular reason MLA or MP, or there are many person, they have to give, you can say, as a bribe, or you can say tax. So that's why there are many Indians, they have potential, but they don't establish their factories. They knew very well, because if they are going to establish, then they will have to pay a very huge amount. That's why many of, you can say, bright scholar, they left our country and they went to other European or Gulf country to earn a lot of money. Actually, dear friends, in India, every citizen are patriot. They have a lots of potential. They want to do many things. But problem is that India's most of leader, they are not patriot. They are only worried about how can they create a huge scam, how can they make a lot of corruption. In this way, they can earn a lots of money. Even if you observe anyone, if he once became MLA or MP, so they have lots crore rupees. They establish many petrol pumps. They establish many colleges. They establish many shop. How this happened? This happened only their corruption. They are not worried the progress of the country. They are only worried how can they destroy our country, how can they earn a lot of money, how can they become more and more rich. They don't worry about their country, they don't worry about their law system, they don't worry about anything. They are only about for their pocket, they are only about their how can they help their family to grow, not their country. Remember, not their country. They are, you can say, 100% selfish person. So that's why they don't take any initiative which going to help to develop our country. So friends, what's your view about this? If you have any suggestion or if you have any plan, in this way we can boycott Chinese product. So please write in the comment box, and you can also share your point of view to our audience. Maybe I don't know, if you have valuable suggestions, so you can give and we can follow. So what do you think about this video, and what you feel about this topic? So please write in the comment box. And if you like my effort, so please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Thank you so much.